Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to type SO2 in Word document. So let's start. This is my Word document and here I show you three different way you can type SO2 in Word. So let's start how it's done. So first type SO2, then select the 2, then go to the Home tab. In font group, select these icons, subscript, just click on it and you can see the 2 is a subscript. Okay, and the second way, same as type first as a 2, then select the 2, then use the keyboard shortcut key Control Shift underscore and you can see the SO2 here. And the third way, go to the Insert tab. In Symbols group, click on the equation option. Okay, then here you can see the equation box is added. Then go to the Equation tab. In Script option, just click on this drop down arrow and select the subscript here, second. And here you can type easily SO2. So in first box I type SO and second box I type 2. Then I select the both here and go to the Home tab. In font group, I deselect this italic option and you can see it's showing as 2. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.